welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a major controversy shaking up Washington's signal gate. US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth is under fire after it was revealed that sensitive military strike details were allegedly shared in a private signal group chat with his wife, brother, and personal lawyer. And guess what? Former President Donald Trump is standing firmly behind him. Let's break it all down. This whole scandal erupted when CBS and the New York Times reported that Hegseth had shared details about US air strike in Yemen inside a private signal chat. What's shocking? The group included people like his wife Jennifer Rich, a former Fox News producer, his brother Phil, and his personal attorney, none of whom are officially cleared for such information. But this is not the first time. Just last month, another signal group was exposed after a journalist was accidentally added. That group also contained top Trump era officials casually discussing military plan. This second group, however, was reportedly created by Hegseth himself and titled Defense. Tim Hoodle. Donald Trump never wanted to shy away from controversy, dismiss the media concern, and fully back his defense secretary. Pete's doing a great job, he told reporters. He brushed off the reports as old news and blamed so-called disgruntled employees for the leak, a claim echoed by Hegseth. Just day before this story break, Hegseth fired three senior Pentagon officials accusing them of unauthorized disclosures. But now many believe those firing may have been retaliatory. Former Pentagon spokesperson John Yolot, who recently resigned, said the department is not total cost and accused Hegseth team of spreading lies about their colleagues. Messages in the group reportedly include flight schedule for F&A-18 Hornet repairing for strike in Yemen. Information that critics say if leak could endanger US personnel, while the White House insists no classified material was shared. Many reports argue that sensitive info should never be on private messaging app, even encrypted ones like Signal. The US has been launching strike a Yemen retaliation for attack by Houthi rebel on cargo ships in the Red Sea, a crucial global trade route since November 2023. The Houthi have hit dozens